And this is one of the first things that happens on the day of Uhud, where the Messenger of Allah is tested, and the companions are also being tested with, are you going to listen or not? What happens, a number of people are killed, people are made shaheed. This is now the statement. يَقُولُونَ, who's the يَقُولُون then? They say, who's they? The companions? The munafiqun. يَقُولُونَ لَوْ كَانَ لَنَا مِنَ الْأَمْرِ شَيْءٌ مَا قُتِلْنَا هَوْنَا. Had you listened to us, had you followed us, had we had a say in the affair, not Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, why didn't you listen to Abdullah ibn Ubay? None of us would have been killed. So this is now the context, but the aqidah point that we learn here is that the author, this is what I'm reading now here from the commentary, included this chapter because many people reject the decree in respect to their actions. They think that had they done something in a particular way, the situation would have changed. Yet Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the one who decrees. Now what does this all mean? Let me just summarize. There's another ayah, there's another hadith. What this basically means is today is Saturday, yeah? I left my house about 3:30. I wanted to leave at 3 o'clock. Left about 3:30. Had to go somewhere. I arrived here at 5:50. I missed Salat al-Asr. Made you guys wait. Made the sheikh, he was a little bit worried. Where is he? So all of these bad things that have happened because of me coming out late. Am I now going to say that had I done it like this, had I done it like that, then the situation would have been in my hands? You can't do that. So here, the meaning is, do not say, the Messenger of Allah, this is now a hadith, it's a long hadith. أحرص على ما ينفق واستعن بالله ولا تعجز وإن أصاب الشيء فلا تقل. Now here's the point. If something happens as a test, as a calamity, do not say low. Do not say if only أني فعلت لكان كذا وكذا. Then it would have been like this and it would have been like that. ولكن قل قدر الله ما شاء فعل. Allah has decreed and He does as He pleases, subhanahu. فإن اللَّوْ, because low تفتح حمل الشيطان, opens the handiworks of shaitan for you to question the decree of Allah. My point here is I tried what I tried to do. The consequences are the consequences. خلاص, that's it. قدر الله ما شاء فعل. This is the decree of Allah. The bad things are attributed to me. These are the consequences of my actions. I was late. This is what happened. But this is what Allah decreed. If you open up like, if only this and if only that, and this person is to blame and it's his fault and this and that, it opens up the path to shaitan. For the person not only now saying bad things to one another, but also then questioning the qadr of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But there are a couple of exceptions to this. If you are saying low, meaning if only I did it like this and if only I did it like that, for the purpose of benefiting, and it's mentioning it here at the bottom of page 289. However, using the term if only in the future sense for something good, meaning if I'm going to be alive, if I'm alive for the forthcoming year, then I will definitely fast the 9th and the 10th. Or if you're using low for the past to refer to things that you could have done better and you're going to learn from, then there's no harm in that. So there are 3 scenarios in this. Number 1, if you say low to talk about something that happened in the past, to cast blame, to show regret, to show remorse, and not accept the decree of Allah, then this is from the path of shaitan. If you're talking about future, or if you're talking even about past, in order for you to improve and to be better, then there's no harm in that, inshaAllah.